Demand for the US dollar remains low, despite the fact that investors are pricing in geopolitical risks and the threat of a second wave of the coronavirus. The greenback fell below the 97 level. Traders resumed purchases of risky assets amid geopolitical tensions. As discussed yesterday, Beijing and Delhi are preparing to begin negotiations. The conflict on the Korean Peninsula has been limited to a propaganda war, so investors switched their attention to other market-moving events that affected the greenback. Market participants were discouraged by the speech of White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow. He did not provide any details about the further stimulus measures aimed at reviving the U.S. economy. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives passed a new $3 trillion economic stimulus bill, but Congress rejected it. Congress, as well as Donald Trump, criticized the bill. Trump made it clear that he would not sign the bill in its current form. However, this conflict over the bill looks more like an election battle, as the House of Representatives consists mainly of Democrats, while Republicans hold the majority in Congress. Demand for risky assets was also bolstered by the remark made by White House trade advisor Peter Navarro. He said that the US-China trade deal is over due to the lack of clarity from China about the origin of the coronavirus. President Trump quickly walked back the remarks. He tweeted that the US-China trade deal is fully intact. The dollar-yen pair has finally broken out of its narrow range amid such news. The US dollar advanced a little against the yen. However, technical analysis experts warn traders not to make hasty decisions. The pair may reverse at the 107.20 level. If it falls below the level of 106.89, it will drop to 105.90 and then to 105.40. The Australian dollar managed to reach 0.69 amid an increase in risk appetite. The next target is 0.7080. Although technical analysts see signals for a resumption of the downward movement, it may occur if the pair consolidates below 0.69. This will indicate the resumption of the decline. Then the pair may test 0.6680. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.